Okay, let's look at options first. So I want to show you recently I've been into the whole Cracker Barrel thing. Very volatile stock recently. It's calmed down a little bit, but with that logo change fiasco, it made their stock price plummet. It recovered a little bit, but still very volatile. And higher volatility means that you can get better deals on options. So we can click on Cracker Barrel and we can see what happened recently. So I had a Cracker Barrel call credit spread. And so at one point I opened up that spread and made some money on it. And then I decided, it's going to expire in the future. It's probably very, very good chance it's going to expire worthless at $0, which means I keep the full profit amount once it expires and closes out automatically. Or I could say, hey, I'll buy this back real cheap just to close it and free up the money right now, so then I can turn around and put another credit spread or do whatever I want with the money. And that's what I did. So instead of waiting for expiration for this to close in the American style options, which is this, I can close them early. And so you can see here, September 23rd, order to close one Cracker Barrel call credit spread has been filled. Average price of $3 per call credit spread. Your order is complete. Now notice, and then down here it says 2 credit spreads for Cracker Barrel. I think I had 3 altogether. Just the order that these go through, they don't always execute everything at the same time. They might do, okay, 1 goes through, the next 2 go through, maybe 4 at a time, 5 at a time. But whatever big order you put in, it'll try to execute as many as it can. So then not all of your orders will go through all at the same time. But let's click on view order. Let's just look at what was going on here. So we have Cracker Barrel call credit spread. The lower strike price was $67.50. Upper strike price was $70, expiring 10/17. So that's roughly a little less than a month from now. And I could have held on to it, see the price decline all the way to 0, and then once it expires, then my profit is realized and I get to keep 100% of the profit. Or I could say I want to close it early, which I did. See there, my limit price was 5 cents. So that's me telling them, hey, I have 5 cents to spend to buy this back, buy this whole credit spread back to close it, and I'm willing to spend 5 cents or less on it. And for options, they only trade in 5-cent increments, at least all the ones I've seen. And so you can't say, oh, I only want to spend a penny to close this, or I only want to spend 3 cents to close this. But notice how our filled quantity was at 3 cents. That wasn't me, that was them. I'm not sure if it's an algorithm or some human trader on the other end that makes deals and does a bunch of things all at once, saying, hey, instead of filling all these at 5 cents each, are you willing to take 3 cents? And the other party says, yeah, that's fine. So whatever goes on the other end of that, that's what happened automatically. That's out of our control. So you see there, final cost was 3 cents each plus 8-cent regulatory fees. And remember, one contract controls 100 shares. 3 cents times 100 is $3 plus the 8 cents. So the total cost to close this was $3.08. Pretty good deal, because you could see the realized profit was $57. And that shows you all the info, the 2 different legs of this deal. 4 cents minus 1 cent, 3 cents. And that's how that closed. So I closed it, made 57 bucks, awesome, freed up all that capital that was set aside to execute those legs if those calls went through. So I wanted to show you that. And then since that freed up some capital, I went ahead and opened 8 Cracker Barrel call credit spreads. Went a little crazy there, but it was $50 per credit spread. As you can see, if everything goes my way, by 10/17, I hope that the Cracker Barrel strike price, or I hope that the price of the stock stays below $47.50, because that's the lower leg of this call credit spread. And if that happens, at the end of that, I will realize a profit of almost $400 on these 8 credit spreads.